Annually, small to medium businesses consume 10,000 to 45,000 kilowatts of energy. It means companies pay 100,000 to 500,000, which is $500,000 rupees for electricity only. This is at the very least. In large enterprises, the expenses rise 100-fold. To cut costs, businesses install energy generation technologies like solar panels or switch to more energy efficient appliances and lighting. But this also costs money and sometimes more than you can save or even spend on electricity for a year. So before investing in energy consumption optimization, you should ask yourself, how much electricity does your business consume now? Which facilities and appliances cost the most? And why? For that, you don't need a bunch of power engineers auditing your buildings for weeks. You need KLOUD Energy. KLOUD Energy is a solution to manage energy consumption remotely on your laptop or smartphone. At the core, it comprises an IoT platform, energy meters, and an IoT gateway. In a nutshell, KLOUD Energy shows energy consumption across your facilities and per each appliance in your buildings. It detects electricity and power infrastructure issues and helps to deal with them, generates reports on energy consumption and grid errors, allows managing electronic appliances remotely on your laptop or smartphone. Now let's see how it works. We connect the energy meter to the distribution board. The meter captures the data on electricity consumed by lighting, stationary appliances like HVACs, heating, ventilation, and air conditioning, and electronic devices connected to every socket in your building. The meter then sends the data to IoT platform. The device is pre-configured to work with KLOUDIP's IoT software. It sends energy consumption data to the mobile or web application in real time, directly at a short range if a building manager is in the facility, or through an IoT gateway if a building manager works remotely. The building manager logs into the IoT application on his laptop or smartphone. If the system detects excess or intensive energy consumption, the widgets change colors and the manager gets an alert. Electricity monitoring is the simplest KLOUD Energy implementation example. As you see, energy monitoring equipment is an essential element of the solution, but the real magic happens in the IoT platform. Let's move on to the IoT platform. The KLOUDIP's IoT platform receives data and the system analyzes it and displays the results on IoT dashboard, where you can see colored widgets of different types of showing energy consumption or power infrastructure issues, alerts and notification if something demands your attention. Energy consumption charts and graphs updated in real time. Maps to see where the emergencies occur. You can create a widget for each appliance, distribution board, room or facility. KLOUD Energy not only shows electricity consumption per appliance, but allows you to manage these appliances remotely. For example, if you left the office with the AC turned on, you can turn it off remotely via the IoT dashboard to save electricity. Knowing your energy consumption and managing electronic appliances remotely is good, but KLOUD Energy is designed to cut electricity costs, so let's discuss how it happens. Let's move to budget management. First of all your electricity bills updated in real time and gets alerts if you exceed the budget. That way you'll never go into the red. Secondly, you can see which appliances and facilities contribute to your electricity bills most. By focusing on them first, you'll return your investments faster. Thirdly, knowing the factors that contribute to peak demands, you can balance loads and power factors at various times of day to decrease your bill. Finally, KLOUD Energy allows comparing your electricity spending in different periods. Thus, you can check your energy management initiatives, change your electricity bill. In order for you to understand how everything is put together, I would like to introduce Malindu. He is going to show a sample panel board that represents key elements of any small or large power panel and how KLOUDIP hardware can easily fit in.
Yes, Aniska. So let me show you the inside. So from the grid, the line is given to a 4-pole MCCB, and from the 4-pole MCCB it is fed into another contactor. So between them we can use the CTs to monitor the power of the grid only, and we can see another supply from the generator. It is directly connected to this contactor, and both of these lines are bridged together and fed into a RCCB. It's a 4-pole RCCB, and from the 4-pole RCCB we have used 4 different bus bars to feed the single phase lines into these single phase RCCBs and MCBs. From the bus bar we have fed 3 separate single phases, and we can see each of these single phases connected to its relevant MCB and to its relevant RCCBs accordingly. And we have set aside single pole MCBs right here for each of the different appliances that we have connected. So if we say to monitor what is the power consumption of one of these MCBs, we can actually use another CT for that, and we can monitor what is the power consumption of these as well.
Thank you, Malindu. To sum it up, with Cloud Energy, you get a robust, simple and cost-effective solution for energy management. It's simple and you don't need special skills to use it. KLOUDIP takes up installation and configuration. You open your laptop and start monitoring. It's robust as Cloud Energy is a cloud solution hosted at the distributed data center. First, it means that you don't need to buy a server to use it. Secondly, the system is not affected by power cuts or other accidents, so it can boast 99.99% uptime. It's cost-effective. KLOUDIP introduced a pay-as-you-go model for Cloud Energy, so its price depends on the number of appliances and facilities connected to the system. As a result, the price of KLOUDIP Energy is always below the savings. It brings and everybody wins. Big companies get huge savings at a reasonable price. Smaller businesses can access energy management at the lowest possible cost. See for yourself. Contact us for a live demo and get Cloud Energy installed. Lower electricity bills are the most evident outcome of KLOUDIP Energy implementation, but only the tip of the iceberg. With Cloud Energy, you decrease maintenance expenses by preventing critical breakdowns caused by power system failures. Save time on manually collecting electricity data with a pen and paper. Instead, watch electricity bills updated in real time. Reduce downtimes in production caused by power cuts or equipment disruptions. Last but not least, conventional solutions provide historical data that you can analyze and adjust energy consumption for the future. So months will pass until you start saving. Cloud Energy provides real-time data, allowing you to adjust electricity consumption on the go. So savings start at the first day of implementation. Let's identify your biggest electricity uses and start saving your energy. We'll support you all the way. Thanks for watching. Tanishka for KLOUDIP.